Hi everybody. Welcome to Petroglyph National Monument in sunny Albuquerque, New Mexico. I'm Jeff Olson and I'm going to be your host as we watch the first solar eclipse that's been visible in the United States in the last 18 years. We do want you, if you're out watching the eclipse this evening, to be safe. That's why we're handing out safe viewing glasses here at Petroglyph. In fact, it's time for me to put mine on and for us to watch the eclipse. There it is. It's just started.
National parks are a great place to view the stars, whether you're viewing a million stars at night or our closest star during the day. We're happy to see so many people enjoying this event here at a national park. We have 150 other national parks across the western United States where visitors are also enjoying this same event. So the people participating in this event today at Petroglyph National Monument are participating in the same kind of event that people 1,000 years ago also participated in. Humans have always looked to the sky, to the sun, the moon, and the stars for answers to how we fit within the larger universe that we're part of.
One of the things that is a very special thing about being in a national park is the connection one feels to nature, to the horizon, to the plants and the sky. And one of the things that a solar eclipse allows us to think about is the connection between earth and sky.
The National Park Service owns this eclipse. In North America, the eclipse path starts on the coast in southern Oregon, and by the time it is done in West Texas, as you've already heard from the superintendent, just annularity will have graced 35 national parks and monuments and recreation areas. That is a very good record.
But here in Albuquerque, or in Petroglyph National Monument, one of the things that really makes this special is that we have such a beautiful clear sky, dry air, but we're also experiencing something or being able to participate in an ancient tradition. The folks or the humans that lived here in this area that made the petroglyphs within the monument, the ancestral Puebloans lived in this area. And likely they were looking at the sun, the moon, and the stars. And when unique events like this occurred, they likely took notice of those. And so we're able to participate in this same kind of tradition that makes up the cultural fabric of our society.
Were they able to predict eclipses and when they would happen?
Absolutely, they were. They look to the sun because of its predictability. The sun goes through the same annual cycle, and they would watch that very carefully and take observation and measurements. That's how they developed their calendar system. It's when they knew when to plant and harvest crops, when to perform ceremonies, very important things that as a society you would need to know when to do. And because these are predictable, if you watch the sun and the moon long enough, you can learn to predict these events.